everyone, and welcome back to an Edith Noble video. Today I'm going to be doing something, again, pretty holiday themed. Today I'm going to be doing some DIY holiday decor, and I haven't really done anything really decorative. I've mostly done like art stuff. So today I figured I would do something new, and I'm trying to keep it pretty Christmas themed. So let's get into it. And before we get started, I just want to warn you, this video is gonna be pretty cool, I think. And you should totally click that big red subscribe button. It's pretty easy. We just hit 50 followers or subscribers or whatever, and I am very excited about that, very thankful, so be sure to join the journey. So I'm really doing two main things, and they're both pretty easy. They can take a while, they can not, so it's really up to you and how you do it. So the first thing I'm doing is a nice, like, I don't know how to explain it, but it's like a circle picture of a watercolor. So I just did like a sky, a nice wintry sky, and then I painted some trees and I did like a nice little lake ice thing. And then with white gel pen I went over it and did a bunch of dots so it looked like it was snowing, and you kind of fade the trees back. And then I wrote out a Bible verse about Christmas, well, sort of about Christmas, around it, and wrote Christmas 2018 and some stuff around it, and I thought that looked really cool and a nice little border. I then put it on an easel that I got a little while ago, and I'm not saying that all of this stuff is DIY. You can just hang this up on a wall or frame it or however you want to do it, but this is how I did it. Interpret it in your own way. So I put it on this easel that I got a couple of years ago for like $5 at, I think, Michael's. And so I put it on there, and I put some nice like twinkly lights around it and a rock that I got on vacation. And I know that sounds weird, but I think it's a cool little decor piece. And I put a rock and a little light up candle. I thought that was a nice wintry little scene there. The next thing I did, which is kind of two parts of one whole decor item, is I did some paper snowflakes. And I know that this is like super basic, you've probably done this in school 100 times, but I actually like it in the way that I do it. And I've done this before, but I decided to both decorate my room and make a video, so kill two birds with one stone. So for this, you've probably done it before, so I'll just do a brief explanation. You just take a piece of paper, make it into a square, and you can do that just by folding it like a triangle. And then you cut that extra piece off, fold it a bunch of different ways, however you want, make some cuts on the edges, and then unfold it, make sure there aren't any creases or like stuff hanging off. And then I taped it to a string and then just hung that up, and I did one on my door and I did one above a chair that I have in my room. This is really nice and easy and very simple. I think pretty much anyone can do it. You might need some help with the string, but it is pretty easy. I did one of 3 snowflakes, one strand of 3 snowflakes, and then I did one strand of 5 snowflakes, and that's the longer one. You can hang it, you don't have to put them on the string, you can just leave them separate if you want, it's totally up to you. Okay, so that's pretty much it. That was kind of just 2 quick things. I might do some more later. And I'm trying to keep December's videos really holiday themed, so be sure to comment down below whatever you think I should do, because I'm kind of running out of ideas that would be interesting. So be sure to comment that down below, and I hope you love this video. Be sure to try this stuff out and tell me how it goes. Tell me if you like it, the way I explain it. If you can help me in any way, that would be great. So be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and click that big red subscribe button, because there's lots of fun stuff coming at you soon. So hope you enjoyed this video. I'm trying to keep it short. Bye-bye.